True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So guys, welcome back to the channel. Yeah man, so I don't know, they are St. Elizabeth, one place them call name Mountainside. Mountainside. Very close to one place them call name Parkley. Can drive here to go Malvern to close to Grace Factory. So yeah man, so big up on yourself anyway now watch from here and abroad. I don't know, I'm a tour guide this year, Fire Reid. Yeah man, so we are supposed to know that church here, it's supposed to be a Methodist church. Yeah man, so if anybody who know this church in the Mountainside area, leave it in the comment section. Well, today is Sunday, don't see anybody at church today, so I don't know if it's because of the hurricane it's been destroyed. So see some sign here, 3rd of June 1912. So you can see the building. But today guys, you can stick and stay, so I'm gonna give you a tour from which is from Mountainside Square, go to Parkley in St. Elizabeth. Yeah man, see, we remember them church here. You see them church I built up off a thinker, we call it dirt and stone. Big up to the builders them, still looking good and same way and everything. Like see where them doing some repairs. So yes people, you can leave in the comment section where you're watching from, so I can give you a shout out in the next video. I don't know, say no boy Fire Reid this year, show no I go on to St. Elizabeth. A lot of people come to them church here, migrate, never get to come back to see them area. So I take the time out and show no I go on. Good art of work, them here, you know. So in memory of RCH, it is Richard and Elizabeth Hutchinson, June 3rd, 1912. You can see it, like if it get damaged by Hurricane Melissa, maybe this church won't start back and thing. Welcome guys, welcome to the channel True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So today I am in Mountainside, St. Elizabeth. So I'm heading towards the Mountainside gas station. Also when you're in the Mountainside area, it is like about 20 minutes drive to Black River or less, depends on the speed you're driving. So when you're in the Mountainside area, you have your different farm store, gas station, supermarket. So yes my beautiful people, if you don't know that area, leave in the comment section. Yeah man, and tell me if you would live in this area guys, in Mountainside St. Elizabeth. So take a tour. We are heading to Parkley today, guys. So if you know the Parkley area, you will see what Parkley look like in 2026, guys. So yes, my beautiful people, so we'll make the left turn, which will take us to the Parkley area. Straight ahead will take you all to Grace Factory, also to Malvern, guys, and to Newell, Watchwell, Langwood, them place there, you know. Yeah, man. So big up on yourself, all of the Parkley massive then. Big up on yourself. Big up yourself, Pauline, anyway there. Big up yourself, man. Big up yourself, one love and one heart. Big up yourself, Delcia. Yeah, man, I take a tour in the community here. So this is what it look like in Parkley area. So guys, you see the mountain? That's a nice view up there, guys. When you're in the Parkley area, you can feel a different type of weather coming from maybe up in the Malvern side and place there. It's a very cool weather in the Parkley area, guys.